Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Scorpio water sign. This is June weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. Let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general reading. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Scorpio water sign. Messages for Scorpio. It's your reading and it's your card, death card. Under the deck, 10 of Wands, 10 of Swords, and Wheel of Fortune. Right now, you are feeling stuck, you're feeling drained, Scorpio. You're feeling overburdened, a lot of work, a lot of tensions, maybe work pressure, maybe relationship wise, some problems, some issues, arguments, but you are very tired and your energy is totally drained. Yes. And Wheel of Fortune, but things will turn into your favor. In future, definitely things will turn into your favor. So let's see our reading. Queen of Pentacles, 8 of Swords, and Devil. First of all, you are very caring and sharing person, Scorpio. But you are feeling stuck, especially when you are in this relationship, when you are with this person. And for some, this person is very toxic. Maybe you are obsessed with them or they are obsessed with you. Definitely there is some resistance in this connection due to the devil. Devil is very dark energy. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn or Scorpio. It could be another Scorpio also. So in past you feeling stuck and at the same time you started focusing on your finances. Then present Death, 7 of Wands and King of Cups. So you are very defensive right now. And there is one type of ending between you and your person. But someone is coming to offer their cup of love to you. For some, it could be a whole new love. For some, it could be a past person, depending on your situation. But someone is coming to offer their cup of love to you, King of Cups. For some, you still have strong emotions towards this person, even though you are in separation or no contact. Then future, the Hangman, the Fool, and 6 of Wands. So you are spiritually awakening. You're feeling stuck sometimes when you are thinking about this person. But you overcome this stuck energy and you will be in the full energy. You are living in the present moment and going with the flow, and you are getting success for your hard work, recognition for your hard work. 6 of Wands. And one person in this connection could be popular, and the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions towards you. Under the deck, Page of Wands and 4 of Swords. So right now for some, you are in no contact situation, Page of Wands. So this person is a player type and they want to communicate with you, and for some you both have age differences. Yeah, 3 of Swords. Right now they're missing you, they're healing, and they want to communicate with you. So let's see their current feelings, Scorpio. Wow. Two aces, Ace of Cups, Ace of Pentacles, and the Tower, and 6 of Swords with 4 of Cups under the deck. So they are missing you right now. They're feeling bored without you. They're feeling lonely. I think there is no equal give and take in this connection in past. but now they have regrets, so they wanna work on this relationship and they wanna fix the things between both of you. Ace of Cups, Ace of Pentacles, and the Tower. Right now they're going through a lot, Scorpio, and they wanted new beginnings with you. Aces, two aces, new beginnings. For some, new person is also entering in your life, but your current person or past person who is thinking about you is wanting a new beginnings with you. So your person want new beginnings with you and they wanna commit to you because Ace of Pentacles, long term commitment, they wanna marry you. So let's see their intentions. Two cards. Yeah. They wanna coming back, but they are in slow moving energy. But this time they want to be with you forever. They want to offer they want to offer stability to this connection. And Queen of Pentacles, they want to share their life with you. Right now they're missing you so much because Five of Cups, and they are fantasizing and wondering about you a lot, Scorpio. Here your person waiting for right time to approach you because Temperance is here. Patience is the key. And your person is patiently waiting. Yes. So in thinking wise, they want a new beginnings with you, but in action wise, right now they are waiting for right time to approach you. So they're fantasizing about you a lot. They're missing you a lot, Scorpio. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. So justice, they want second chances with you, Scorpio. Maybe in past they hurt you, now they are coming back with an apology. Right now they're healing themselves because they are in so much pain. Three of Swords and the Tower energy. After healing, they will come back to you with an apology, with an text. They will communicate with you. And justice, they want second chances with you. Yeah, right now they're very tired, and the person involved in this connection could be Libra. Time frame is different from everyone because everyone's situation is different from others. So time frame depends on your situation. They hurt you in past, definitely, because justice, again, maybe you cut off this person, maybe you decided to cut off this person from your life, but now they are coming back with an apology. In past they hurt you, backstabbed on you, cheated on you, third party involved. That's why you are not opening up emotionally to them, but they're coming back for second chances. But it's up to you totally, Scorpio, to accept or reject. Let's see the mutual. For some, children's also involved in this connection. Okay. Start, the person involved in this connection could be Aquarius or Libra. 10 of Swords, 10 of Wands. It is becoming hard work for both of you. Still one person is very hopeful for this connection, but other person is totally drained. So it depends. In future, one person is still have hopes, but one person is very sad. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. But they will approach you through communication. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Decision time. Holding back. All I want is you. You are pure perfection. Please wait for me. Soulmates. So the messages are soulmates, decision time, holding back, all I want is you. You are pure perfection and please wait for me. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Step out of your comfort zone. North. Maybe you want to achieve something in your life very big, so you have to step out of your comfort zone and then do hard work consistently. You are good enough. Full moon in Virgo. So if you are not feeling good enough, so this is the message for you. You are good enough. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.